I don't know, Doc. It's getting a little messy.
Roller. What's going on, everybody? So with only a $20 budget, today we are going to be trying to find the perfect pair of pants. I'm not going to lie, pants can get pretty expensive nowadays, but we are going to try to find that perfect wash, try to get the perfect fit from a tailor, and do a little bit of our own distressing from a DIY tutorial, all for under 20 bucks, all right? Enough talking though, let's head on out. So to keep it under our $20 budget, the first step of this entire process is to find our jeans at any thrift store. Let's get in there. And this is why we're at the thrift store. $4.50 for a pair of jeans. That means we have a ton of money left out of our $20 budget. We're gonna spend the rest of the money for alterations to get them tailored for that perfect fit. Let's see what we can find. And it's always good to keep in mind exactly what type of look you're going for. For myself, it is this one right here. So that way you could kind of hone in and focus in on what you're trying to look for when you're at the store. So earlier I didn't even mention fit as one of the criteria, and that's because it doesn't matter. You can find a pair of bootlegs, you can find even a pair of straight legs, because later on you're gonna be tapering them down and making those customizations anyways. So right now, it's just all about focusing on finding the right wash. Alright guys, so we just got to the tailor. These are the pair of jeans that we got from the thrift store. As you guys can see, they're nothing too crazy, really plain. This is exactly what I was looking for, a pair of Levi 501s. I'm gonna try them on right now to show you guys exactly what they look like before we get them altered. Alright guys, so I just put them on, and as you guys can see, they are super baggy. But one thing to really keep in mind that's going to help your tailor out is show them photo references of what you're looking for. That way they can visualize exactly the fit that you're going for. Also, after trying them on, one thing you're going to be able to identify is exactly where you want them tapered in and brought in. It seems like it needs to be tapered from the knee down, so that's exactly what I'm going to ask her. So she just took a look at the jeans. She pinned it down where she thinks she's gonna be tapering it. Right now with the pins, it's kind of like a preview of what the jeans will look like after you pick them up from the tailor. So just keep this in mind. It's not like an end all be all, but it is a preview. So right now I'm trying to take off the pants, but the pins are so tight that it just poked me like 20 times. I'm gonna ask her what she recommends in this situation.
Come here.
I'm just trying to get the pants off and they're poking me. The pins are poking me in the ankle area.
Yeah, ankle.
So she's saying if they are too tight for the pins to take off, then she's gonna mark the pins with chalk. That's much better.
Sorry.
Good. Cool.
See?
Alright guys, so I just got back from the tailor. This is the part where we're gonna show you guys how to do a little bit of DIY distressing. And for this, we had to bring in Tang, aka the Frugal Master, aka the DIY Weasel.
What up, guys? All right, Rich, so I see you got the rotary tool, you got the cardboard, you got your pen, because I'm pretty sure that's where you're going to mark where your knee is going to be at. And you went with the 90s wash. Man, it's only right that we give it the 90s details.
Yeah, let's go over the first step. So for this pair of jeans, we're going to be doing some simple knee blowouts as well as some distressing around the crotch area.
Maybe like some distressing along with the seams.
Exactly. So I already tried on the pair of pants, and then I marked where exactly I'm going to do the knee blowouts, where obviously it aligns with my knee. So I just cut out this piece of cardboard from any box. We're going to place it right here, right under the knee area. All right, so we got to talk about this rotary tool.
Man, so this thing right here is what makes the distressing happen.
This just speeds up the whole entire process, and at the end, it's kind of like this like tip that has, I would say, kind of like hard sandpaper. Yeah. So it really gets the job done. You can find these at pretty much any hardware store for about 15 to 20 bucks. So the rotary tool, we'll leave the link in the description box below if you guys are interested in getting one of these. But I'm warning you, they get pretty dangerous.
Oh, yeah. It takes a lot of practice.
All right, we'll show you. All right, guys. So let's turn this baby on right now.
All right, what speed you got it on right now?
So right now, you can see right here, it adjusts. It goes all the way from a 1. You can hear it's kind of, you know, settled.
I feel like the 1 is going to be the good key point of kind of drawing where you want to distress it.
Exactly. You have your pin marks, but this will kind of outline it with the distressing. So let's start off with the 1.5. It get pretty, I mean, you hear it, man.
When it gets to 4, 5, 6,
things
can get a little wild.
All right, so 1.5. So let's get started.
Hold on, Rich. Before we get started, safety first.
What are you talking about?
Let's put on some safety glasses, man. We got some right here.
Oh, yeah. Got the Bape sunglasses right here. All right. This video is not sponsored by Bape, by the way.
No.
Sometimes the denim debris, flies everywhere. You gotta be safe.
You gotta protect your eyes.
All right.
Let's do it.
So I'm just making sure the cardboard is in between.
That is very important. See, he's getting the outline right now. It may not seem like he's cutting, but trust me, he's getting it. Rich, should we crank up the speed?
All right, I think we got the outline.
You got the outline now.
So right now we're at a 1.5. Let's turn it up to 3. Sometimes this rotary tool will catch the fabric of the denim and then it gets caught up. So,
yeah.
I mean, you need a partner to hold the jeans down in place, right?
Yeah, because the thread will just loop around the head and it'll almost take you.
It can take your fingers sometimes,
you know
what I mean? So just do this with a friend if you guys can. All right, we cranked it up to a 3.
You also want to make sure that you have the jeans really tight and flat on the tables. There you go. All right, so as you guys can see, Richie's kind of taking off that first layer before it gets to the white thread. As you see, it's building up. Hold on, Rich. Before you continue, we got one more tool.
It's like surgery. This is like surgery. You gotta clean up.
We got a lint roller, okay? The lint roller is gonna help you kind of gauge and kind of see what you're working with after you get all that lint off.
So even you can see right here, it's already starting to rip. Scared for it, the anticipation for the snag.
I don't know, Doc, it's getting a little messy.
Roller.
All right. All right, proceed.
These nice corners.
I'm telling you, man, this thing takes some skill, man.
And this is what they put into the original batch of the Fear of God.
Yeah.
Trust me. All right, DIY Weezer, what do you think?
Man, it's looking pretty good. I think the last thing we gotta do is rip the patch off.
All right, I'm gonna let you have the honors. Let's clean up first.
Right, clean up a little bit first.
It's like blood, you gotta clean up all the blood when you're doing surgery. All right, so this part right here, I know, Tan, you're pretty particular about this part because you do like the white threading and hanging everything.
I
so
do.
Can you kind of explain to me how you would usually take this part off?
Okay, so pretty much I'll grab a corner.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you grab a corner and you just wanna naturally rip the thread kind of off. And you kind of see it's already, it has like a natural frame.
Are you seeing you're pulling
You want to pull,
there?
yeah, you want to pull. You want to pull. There we go.
There you go.
That's one.
I feel like this is great.
That's one side. And you want the long white threads. You want the long white threads. All right, there you go. And we got one last side.
Do we need a little reinforcement?
Yeah. keep doing it. I'll just naturally pull.
Okay.
I'll just naturally pull. There we go. All right. We're almost there. Last thread, there it is.
I'm not gonna lie, man, just last year, I bought a pair of Top Man denim and the distressing was pretty darn similar. So it looks a little bit drastic right now, but trust me, when you put these on, it's gonna look right.
When you put these on, the stacks is what's gonna help make the knee blowout look a little bit more natural.
All right, so we have this part.
Obviously,
a lot of thread hanging out and everything. Let's have Tan do the second knee blowout. Right. And then, like we said earlier, we're gonna finish everything off with a little bit of distressing around, like, the buttons and maybe in the pockets area. A lot of people even do the cuff and even the sides and everything. So it's as far as you wanna go with your pair of jeans. All right, so let me slide this right here on this side. Bam.
All right.
All right.
So I'm a little more experienced. I'm gonna crank up the speed right off the bat.
Okay. And it's okay to have your friend do the other side because you don't want each knee to look exactly like the other. You kind of want them to have a little bit of, their own character. That's how like SOP does it. That's how like all the big brands do it. They make each knee look a little bit unique. Okay, so you got like that little circular motion.
Ready to pull. All right. Okay, there we go. Boom. All right, so obviously my knee's kind of smaller than yours. I like being safe. I like going smaller, so if anything, you guys can just make it bigger.
All right, so we just did the knee blowouts. Let's show them a little bit of distressing around the pockets area.
Oh, yeah.
So this part, you kind of want to get it along the, anywhere that has basically sewing, you know what I mean? The stitching and everything, so go ahead and do that. You don't want to go into the jeans. You want to just graze it.
You kind of want to graze it. You kind of just want to just lightly graze over it,
Please don't get my finger. You're awfully close to my finger. I don't want a distressed finger.
All right,
As much as I like distressing, I like my fingers still.
Oh, right there. You kind of see.
Wow, that is looking nice, my friend.
Such a small detail goes a long way. Look at that. You want that natural whisker look right there. So imagine doing that, but all over the pants. It's gonna make your pants look really, really cool.
And this is, we're just trying to encourage you guys to have fun with your jeans. I mean, the more time you spend on them, the better they're gonna look. All the little details and everything. Imagine doing this along this whole part. You got it all on the crotch area, even on the top. I mean, that would look sick. right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for the DIY part on the denim, man. We had a long day, you know. I went to the thrift store, found the nice wash. Then we took them to the tailor, got them tailored down to the right fit, and then we brought in the DIY master right here to show you guys how to distress. Like I said, we'll show you guys the rotary tool in the description box below. Let us know if you have any comments. We definitely recommend getting a pair of Levi's. I don't know why, but the threading seems a little bit better to distress. I just feel
like when it's 100% cotton and like less spandex in the actual denim itself, it gives it more of like a natural distressing.
Yeah. Don't try to find denim with any stretch on them. Try to find non-stretch denim if you guys can. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want any more videos like this, more DIYs. Make sure you guys check out Tang's Instagram, and until next time, we out. Peace. All right, guys, thank you for checking out that video. Make sure you guys check out this video. Also, check out this video. Let us know down in the comments below if you guys want any more DIY videos. We can even distress maybe a denim jacket for you guys. Maybe try to find some budget denim jackets for them or something. But that's pretty much it. And until next time, we out. Peace.